comes some back roads. So here we are. I'm a guest of my friend who has a wonderful Thai girlfriend, and she is a hell of a chef. Let's live it up in Thailand. This is the simple life in Thailand. You see, we'll live on the beach. This is the beach view. This is where he lives. And see, very beautiful weather. And a lifestyle like this is like a $200 a month place, and he has a wonderful girlfriend and eats like a king.
Of course.
Live in Sweden. You eat like a king of Sweden in Thailand.
Not even king can eat that.
Yeah. And he has to go back to Sweden, and he's not looking forward to it.
I don't want to think about
He has to go do some medical stuff, and he says, as soon as I'm done, I'm coming back.
Yeah.
Huh?
Maybe take a month or
Take
2
a
months.
month or 2 months, and
come
right away you're gonna get your flight
Yeah.
and come back.
Yeah,
Good for you. This is a sweet and sour dish, pat piang wan. Very, very delicious. อันนี้อะไรมีอะไรครับ
ผัดชาปลากระป๋อง
Pache paka, okay. It's a small fish, kind of like a sardine, but it's not that strong. It's a very delicious fish. Aniyan, Riyawarai, what is this called?
หล่นปลาร้า
Lon pala. What, ni arai? Sai arai kap?
โกโกนัทกะทิ
Oh, okay. This is, paman gankyawan sauce, mai?
จะรสชาติเหมือนแกงเขียวหวานแต่ไม่หวาน
Oh, okay. It's like the green curry sauce, but it's not sweet. But it has the coconut milk and,
ฟิต
me,
ฟิตเห็ด
fish, the meat fish has fish and the
Gachai.
mushrooms and a little bit of pepper,
Gachai.
sweet peppers,
กระชาย
gachai, kapom, lemongrass, and me by makun mai.
ใบมะกรูด
But okay, the
ข่า
kaffir lime leaves.
ห
It's
อม
okay. So paman man kan gangkawan dawa mai wan. May say namtan.
ไม่ใส่น้ำตาลเทสลองเทสลิตเติ้ลแล้ว
อ๋
ก็
อโอเค
สปีกได้
Kind of like a green curry with fish. No, not sugar. There's no sugar in it.
สมุนไพรไทยอ่ะหมูมันจะนะ
Okay, we'll have to.
ข่าตะไคร้ใบมะกรูด หัวหอมทุกอย่างอยู่ในนี้หมด
Now I have to give it a little taste and tell you all about it. Compared to the green curry. Absolutely. Green curry without any sweetness, and it's with fish. Very delicious. And the green curry, you guys know probably, the ones you guys have been in Thailand, it's called gang kia wan. It's got chicken and some kind of eggplant, small round eggplants in it. Very delicious. So let's eat.
That's it.
Yeah, that was very delicious. I've already tasted this. I know what this tastes like. It's all very delicious. So, okay. Wonderful. Please, let's start. Okay. And yeah, I've tried now every 3 dish. Wonderfully delicious. And I didn't ask, but now she mentioned. That means she does not put the MSG, which is very important. So she's usually the educated people don't put. They know that how bad it is. And so that's also even better. You finished already.
No, I put little.
Okay. Which one did you eat? That one?
Everyone.
Oh, okay. There we go. I'm gonna continue now. Hey, in English, what are you buying?
อย่างนี้นะคะตัวเนาะ
Salad. มะพร้าวน้ำส้มมะพร้าวน้ำสดcoconut with mixed with fresh milk เฉยๆมีน้ำตาลไหม Does it have sugar? Little bit sugar, huh? ครับผม This is a smoothie place. You just whatever you want and she'll blend it for you. ครับผมธุรกิจดีไหม
ธุรกิจไม่ค่อยดีเท่าไหร่ครับ แต่ก็ไปได้ครับ
มีฝรั่งเยอะเหรอ
มีฝรั่งพอมีบ้างครับ
ครับผม
โดยเฉพาะคุณจอยก็ชื่นใจแล้วครับ
ดูดิสวยมากสวยงาม
มาซื้ออะไรไหม
ทุกอย่างสวยงาม
คุณจอยถ่ายวิดีโอ
everything look good ฮะพูดไทยได้นิดหน่อย
นิดหน่อยครับเห็นจ
มี
อยพูดได้นิดหน่อย
มีคุณครู Okay what you get
สวัสดีครับ
look at that this is the มะพร้าว mixed with fresh milk ฮะน้ำมะพร้าวทานนมสด Hello pretty lady how are you พูดอังกฤษได้ไหมได้นิดหน่อยเหรอโอเคสวยงามสวยงาม Okay we go by cauliflower she wants so, สวัสดีครับสวยงามอร่อยครับอันนี้อะไร sweet
โรตีกรอบ20 บาทค่ะ
ฮะไม่เคยชิม
อร่อยค่ะ หวานกรอบ หวานนิดหน่อย
you eat before ไหมเคยชิมไหม
กรอบโรตีเหมือนที่เขาทำใหม่ๆลูกแต่เขาทำกรอบ
you forget
ใครซื้อ
I think ทอดมีน้ำมันเยอะเหรอ เอาไหมเอากินได้ไหม
ของกินได้สิคะ
looks very highly fried deep fried
อย่างเดียวเหรอคะ
ครับคุณครับสวัสดีครับสบายดีไหมอะไรนะครับ
ม่วงหมดแล้ว
แม่เมื่อหมดแล้วน่าใจไหม
แน่ใจ
กินหมดแล้วเหรอ
มันไม่เปรี้ยวอ่ะ
ซื้อเยอะๆสิ
แต่ไปกินกับเหล้า
กินหมดอะไร
กินทุกวันนั่นแหละมันคือ
กินทุกวัน
วันนี้ก็กิน
โอเคอันไหน If I buy it, then she say I didn't pick the right one. I was. It's more diplomatic to let her choose it. I don't know. Telephone. Oh, okay. พอแล้วครับโอเคหมดเท่าไหร่ครับ
75 บาทครับ
75
ครับ
Hold.
ลำไยลำ
ครับคุณครับ
ขอบคุณมากครับพี่จอน
คุณชัยครับผมเอา
กี่อัน
เอาอันไหน
กี่อันสองอัน
ฮะเล็กกว่าดีกว่าไหม Smaller better or not? One good, huh? One okay. Okay, huh? Latte. Which one you want? Okay. Pack. Dog pack. Dog pack มีไหมมี dog pack ไหมอะไรเรียกว่าอะไร dog pack dog กะหล่ำ มีไหมมีดอกกะหล่ำไหมโอเคโลละเท่าไหร่ครับโลละเท่าไหร่40 70แพงกว่าได้ไหมแพงกว่าได้เอาไหมไม่เอาเหรอคุณชัยที่ไหนหมดเท่าไหร่ครับ75 45โอเค Chef May
Yes
what do you make today
หม่าล่าหอมไหม
how are you
Okay
you okay huh what you buy Thai iced tea this is a Thai iced tea it's an orange color and it has milk in it and it's very delicious actually
Good
yeah Aye, aye. Okay, you don't want to eat dinner, huh? I know.
No thank you
You have toothache today.
Thank you อารมณ์ไม่ดี
Chef May, what you make today?
หม่าล่า
Mala.
หอมไหม
Ma. That smells very good. So, that's what she does. She wraps it around the pork belly. The what? Wraps what? Oh yeah. Straw mushroom. And everything else. And the other type of mushrooms. And look what she does with the cauliflower. It's a vegetable and this stuff and it's an appetizer thing. It's light. Not gonna fill you up, but want to make you eat more. You make sauce yet? No, huh? And then she'll make a very delicious sauce with that. We'll take a look at that later. Me อีกไหมสำหรับสเต็กทำไมใส่หมด Why you put everything? You don't want.
ลืม
You want to open some and make save for steak or not?
Okay I forget sorry
No, but if you want to eat it, I'll buy again. We're not making steak tonight. Okay. This is enough for today, huh? Okay. Then everything good. You keep everything. I'll buy more later. You have a very nice healthy seafood salad. These are the beauty of Thailand. You can get very healthy stuff. $3. Now Chef May is making the sauce. Oh, you put the same spoon from the pepper to the sugar? And then we put that in the coffee and we get spicy, right?
ไม่สบายสิ
Okay. So sugar, that's the raw brown sugar. Before she had the the grinded hot pepper, chili pepper. Here we have oyster sauce.
อบเชยนะจ๊ะ
And what more?
เผ็ดมาก
Opchoy. And she wants cinnamon. Igaray.
อบเชยชิม
So she puts a little bit of a chili paste and cinnamon. There we go. That's the sauce for mala. And now basically it's all seared or don't put any oil, it's just the oil from the pork belly.
โอเคแล้ว
Okay. And the final product, one of Chef May's favorites, mala. So what do you think? Go ahead.
อร่อยมาก
Oh, and ma. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty good. I taste the sauce already. And
That your love with you just let me understand it.
okay, very good. Very simple. It's the pork belly and then a whole lot of mushrooms, the straw mushroom. Then she puts a different type of mushroom, which is really delicious. This one. I don't know the name of it. And her choice of favorite vegetables, cauliflower. You like broccoli? Chop broccoli. Chop broccoli, though. Okay, you can do broccoli also and stuff, and carrot, maybe the mini corn. Basically, all sort of vegetables. You can sear it, stir it, and eat with this wonderful sauce she made. It's a good, healthy meal. We'll just play around and have fun with it, and
I can eat every day
and you can eat every day. Why don't you make every day?
อร่อย
Everybody ready?
Yes
Yes, let's go.